Hi, welcome back. In my last video on social skills, we discussed that man is a social animal and cannot survive without being a part of a social group. Further, it is important to sustain and maintain the relationships in the group. I am Vaishnavi Naikar and today we are going to discuss on the crucial and most challenging topic for most of us, managing relationships. So let me tell you, managing relationships is a cakewalk if you consider the person as unique individual. Each person has different life experiences, different life stories, belief system, viewpoints, and a complete different experience of life. In short, you consider as a person as unique individual than you. The first key to managing relationships is accepting that no two individuals are the same. Each individual is unique. Second key is listening. Listen with your ears and hearts open. Listen carefully. Listen attentively. Listen to understand without judging. Listen just to listen. The third key is communication. Now, I conducted this experiment on 3 of my friends. The message stands the same, but the output is something like this. Completely different, isn't it? Which concludes that no two individuals interpret the same information in the same way. This brings us to the third key of managing relationships, that is, eliminating assumptions. When you talk, your intention and behavior is interpreted in a complete different way. So next time when you assume, break the word and you'll understand where you are leading. The last and the most important key to managing relationships is mutual respect. For a healthy relationship with your client, friends, or partner, it is important to respect each other's beliefs, values, and opinions, irrespective of the background you come from. So, acceptance, listening, communication, eliminating assumptions, and mutual respect are the 5 keys towards maintaining a healthy relationship. Thank you.